Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID 19. Students, in the previous module, we discussed about the capital needed in farming and sale of surplus. Here in this module, we are going to discuss about the different non-farm activities going on in the village Palampur. So let us begin, students. Non-farm activities. We have learned about farming as the main production activity in Palampur. We shall now take a look at some of the non-farm production activities. Only 25% people of the village Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. First one activity, that is a non-farm activity, that is a dairy. Dairy is common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jowar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raigan, the nearby large village. Two traders from Shahpur town have set up collection-cum-chilling center at Raiganj from where the milk is transported to faraway town and cities. Similarly, students in our nearby areas, also in the villages, the people collect the milk from these farmers and sell it to nearby city and urban areas. And cow and buffaloes are fed on these straw part, that jowar and bajra which is grown in the field. An example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. So in that story village Palampur, about 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Unlike the manufacturing that takes place in the big factories, in towns and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production method and are done on a small scale. Small scale is very less investment is required for running such kind of manufacturing activities. They are carried out mostly at home or in the field with the help of family members, family laborers. Rarely are laborers hired. The shopkeepers of Palampur. People involved in trade, that is exchange of goods, are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. Similarly, students, whatever the shopkeepers are there in your locality, that shopkeepers also buy the goods from wholesalers and sell that goods to nearby market region in your locality. You will see small general stores in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pencil, even some clothes. So here one line is broken out. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open small shops. Similarly, students, you may have seen in your nearby area the people having their house and one corner of their house they keep for shop or to give the room or that part of that house as a shop to the different shopkeepers on rent. They sell eatables in that village. That mainly the goods on shops were sold as eatables, खाने वाली चीजें. Transport, a fast developing sector. There are variety of vehicles on roads connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshawala, Tangawala, jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people are driving the traditional bullocks cart and bogie are people in the transport service. They ferry people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it or that service. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years, and similarly in our country also in the transport sector the people engaged day by day increasing. As the development process is going ahead, the different types of activities are increasing and people need that transport services for transporting goods and as well as the people. Now this is time to discuss homework, students. Here two questions from your textbook given. 13th question. What are the non-form production activities taking place in your region? Make a short list. Students, here for this question you have to collect the information by asking telephonic conversation from your relatives, friends and your parent about the different non-farm production activities going on in your area, and then write answer of this by making a short list. Then next question, what can be done so that more non-farm production activities can be started in village? So whatever the different requirements are there for non-farm production activities, first of all you should know that, try to find out from by reading the chapter, and then on the basis of that you conclude what are the different other activities can be done so that more and more non-farm activities can be started in a village. So this was all about for today's topic. We'll meet in the next module with some more topics. So till then, bye bye all of you.